Yo, what's going on, guys? In today's tutorial, I'm gonna be teaching how to make intros for your audios. So basically, it's like a intro, just like this one.
Isaac Yards.
It's kind of easy. Just like many people just don't know how to do it, but this isn't gonna be the best tutorial on how to do one, but this is just my take on it. Basically, how to do them. So basically, what I do is go to this website, ttsmp3.com. It's just like auto-generated bot voice that just reads your text. So for this example, I'm gonna just do that, and then you could choose a voice here, but personally I just keep it at Joey and just pitch it down. So just make sure you read that.
Audio made by Justina.
And once it sounds good, just download as MP3. Now pull up Audacity and drag and drop wherever you got that.
Audio made by Justina.
And just zoom in here, control and on your mouse wheel to zoom in, or you could just click this. Then just crop out the parts that are excess that you don't need. And then from here you can do whatever you want. You could change the pitch or something. So from here, pitch, you can manage, factor, presets, defaults, and then just lower this down.
Audio made by Justina. Audio made by Justina.
Just
Audio made by Justina.
take that where you like.
Audio made by Justina.
And then this is optional, but you could add like a stutter effect. It's like glitch, something like that, something cool. So you could just select this portion right here. Oh shit. Something like that. And then go over here, repeat, and then you can choose how many times you want to repeat it. So basically, if we go with 4 or 5, no, we keep it at 4. And then if you play it,
Audio made by Justina.
you could probably add one right here too. Right there. Repeat, and then go to 3.
Audio made by Justina.
And then that'll come out like that. Of course, you can do other things. You could add like reverb,
Audio made by Justina.
or just do whatever you want. There's like a shitload of effects over here you can do, so you can just mess with that and mess with however you want it. Now, if you want to get effects, I recommend going to Sound Bible. They got like a ton of effects you could choose from. So for this example, I'm gonna just pick a random one like gun, and then just load up and just listen to the sound effects and pick one you like. So for this one, you got, you could just pick one, but I'm gonna just choose this one. I think I heard this one actually before. Alright, now just click on these, but if they don't work, I don't know why, but for me they're not working. Whenever I click on them, they don't download. So if it doesn't work for you, just right click and then open link in new tab, and it should download down here. Now head back to Audacity, drag and drop the effect, and then just zoom out, and then right here,
By Justina. Audio made by Justina. Audio made by Justina.
actually put that right there.
Justina.
There, you could probably raise the volume of this.
Audio made by Justina. Audio made by Justina. Audio made by Justina.
You could probably raise this, go to bass and treble. Hold on, set this down.
Audio made by Justina.
That sounds good.
Audio made by Justina.
And then you got yourself an intro.